For all your natural and organic food and grocery needs, visit Nature's Emporium Holistic Market. In business for over 18 years, Nature's Emporium features 50,000 square feet of organic produce, meats, cosmetics, vitamins, and gluten-free products. Right inside the store, Giuseppe's Cafe serves freshly made vegetarian meals and healthy juices and drinks, while the store sells organic groceries, bulk foods, dairy, milk, and frozen foods. To further assist you with maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle, there is also a healthy living library. Nature's Emporium Holistic Market. Eat well, live better.